In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form for Square Online website. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, then over here on the left, you want to click on Online and click on Websites. Now, of course, to be able to set this up, you're going to have to create the website first. So, of course, you can do that very easily. You can just click on Websites over here, and you can start a new one for the very first time you open this Websites tab. So, you're going to go through the builder, and of course, you'll build your website. But if you're looking on how to do this, I assume you already do have a website. So I have a very basic one over here I'm going to use for this tutorial, and let me show you how to create a form for your Square Online website. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on website over here on the left, and then you want to go to editor. Now, when you go into your editor over here, you basically will be able to create the form in here. So let me show you how. Wait for the editor to actually load. And then from here, there we go, you can see the plus button top left. You want to click on that, and then from here you can add a section, or you can click on add section over here. When you do this, you can see, of course, it's going to place your section in here. You can move it around later if you wanna. I'm going to scroll down, and here it says communicate, and you have forms. So there's a bunch of different forms. I'm going to click on here, and you can of course select how you want it to appear, either like this or like this. I prefer this one, so that's how I'm going to leave it to be. And then here you have like a bunch of different ones. You have these catering requests, you have, for example, different registrations, you have custom quotes, you have appointment requests, etc. So there's a bunch of different ones you can use. Of course, you can just go ahead and select whichever one you want. What I'm going to do here is basically do the contact us one right now, and then there we go. This is going to be your contact us form, and of course you can move it around. As I said, I'm going to leave it over here, and then what I'm going to do is, of course, if you click on it over here, you can basically see the questions, and you can change these. So make sure you select your form field over here, and then you can change it. So for example, here, instead of full name, I'm going to type in, for example, name and surname like this, and as you can see, it's going to change it, and you can mark it as required as well. You can then go back, you can change it from email to something else, for example, and then you can go in, of course, add a new question over here, like for example a multiple choice. So like this, for example, if I want a multiple choice, I'm going to click on it, and here I'm going to type in, for example, are you a company, or something like that, and then choice 1 is going to be yes, choice 2 is going to be no over here, and of course I can mark as required, and there we go. So you get the point. You can basically build out your form that way, and of course you can change the order of these questions as well. It's super simple to do this, for example like this. There we go. And then you can go and customize the layout, the color styles, you can customize the backgrounds, the content, etc. Okay, so there's a bunch of things you can do. You can just go ahead and click on each and every single one of these and change it however you want. Now, once you are happy with your form on your online website, you can go and preview it top right, and if you are happy with the preview like this, for example, you can just go and click on the publish button top right, and of course, your site is going to be published and updated, and then from there, you can basically view your form. So if I go to my site over here, which is again just a demo site, you'll see that the form has been added to my site over here. There we go, there it is, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.